Moving from forecasting, let's explore another critical area where AI provides a significant advantage: identifying the unusual. This is the domain of anomaly and fraud detection. Part 3: Anomaly and Fraud Detection. 3.1: What is an anomaly? In simple terms, an anomaly is something that doesn't follow the expected or normal pattern. In finance, these outliers can signal important issues. Anomalies might include an unusually large transaction for a particular vendor, a payment that arrives at an unexpected time, duplicate invoice entries, or spending from a department that suddenly deviates from its historical behavior. These outliers are important because they can be indicators of three things: simple human error, a violation of company policy, or the potential early warning signs of fraud. 3.2: Why AI is effective at detecting anomalies. Traditionally, finding these anomalies relies on manual sampling or audits, a process that is time-consuming, often random, and almost always reactive, happening long after the transaction has been completed. AI transforms this into a continuous, proactive process. An AI system can monitor every single transaction in real time, comparing it against a learned baseline of normal historical activity. When a transaction occurs that significantly deviates from this pattern, the AI flags it immediately for human review. This allows finance and audit teams to achieve three key improvements. They can detect issues much earlier, they can focus their valuable attention only on the highest risk, flagged items, and they drastically reduce the manual effort spent on low-value, routine checking. 3.3: Fraud detection in practice. This approach is particularly powerful for fraud detection. A traditional rule-based system might only catch fraud that matches known, predefined patterns, like a transaction over $10,000. AI-based detection is more adaptive. Instead of just relying on fixed rules, it first learns the unique pattern of life for every account, vendor, or employee. It understands what normal behavior looks like. Then, it highlights any activity that deviates from that established pattern, regardless of the dollar amount. This makes AI exceptionally good at detecting new, sophisticated, or evolving fraud schemes that wouldn't trigger any existing rules, giving finance teams a powerful and agile line of defense.